Okay, this is the camera. Here's the battery. Here's the play to watch the video. Here's some of the menus, buttons, up, left, right, down. Got a card there. There's the Wi-Fi, power, okay. Here's where you would plug in to extract the video. In the back, you notice that there's a, give me a second, the card. Here are some of the settings. There's movie size, video quality, seamless, white balance, metering. Doing this one hand, so just give me a second. And then there's effect. Then you could go to the right. There's sound, auto review, power frequency, power save, date time, language, TV out, format, and reset all. And then you just click menu to go back. And there's some of the settings. You can change it by also pressing left and right. Well, and then on top you have your zoom, right, left, mode, photo. So here, let's click the mode. So you get mode, menu, you get record, and that is the camera.